This is a Donner, what is that, Telecaster Deluxe. I bought, it cost like $120 or something. I changed pickups. Right now it's got a Gibson 490R, I think that's what it is, and a dimarzio 36th anniversary. Pickups weren't bad in it, but this guitar plays really well. Like, actually really, really well. I'm going to do a demo of how it sounds now, but it actually plays. I changed the bridge and tuners, so it's quite a bit of upgrades, but it played good no matter what. But here's clean bridge. Middle, well, it's kind of clean. Neck. I'll add a little more dirt. I'm going to turn it down a little bit because the dog's in here. And it hurts his ears. So here's the bridge. Here's the neck. They take pickups really well. Like those 490s I put in other guitars and they sound really bassy and dull. Sounds really good in this, and almost every pickup in this I put in this guitar sounds really good. It's actually a really easy, fun guitar to play. I don't play it as much because I got expensive guitars and this one's so cheap, but I probably should play it.